Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of Miami luxury. This waterfront masterpiece will blow your mind entirely. We are dropping down to the most insane infinity pool right on the edge of Biscayne Bay.
The polished ivory floors and endless water views are genuinely breathtaking today. Look at this sprawling, open-concept drawing room. Floor-to-ceiling glass perfectly frames the Palm Gardens. Check out this pristine master kitchen. Sleek, light oak and polished glass glowing in perfect Florida sunshine. Imagine hosting elite dinners right here. The glowing ambient lighting and ivory aesthetics create pure coastal magic. Run your empire from this ultra-modern executive home office, featuring completely uninterrupted views of the ocean. Wake up in absolute paradise. This breezy master bedroom connects directly to an exclusive oceanic private terrace. Experience absolute spa perfection. Emerald greenery and crystal clear glass make this massive ensuite an immaculate sanctuary. Store your ultimate supercar collection directly inside this jaw-dropping 25-car executive luxury polished garage. Practice your perfect swing endlessly inside this incredibly exclusive Billionaire tier professional indoor home golf simulator room. Experience absolute Billionaire entertainment inside this plush velvet immersive cinema room featuring deep, rich, darkened tropical opulence. Ascend this magnificent sculptural floating marble staircase, brilliantly reflecting pure golden sunlight right through pristine glass balustrade. This secondary master bedroom offers phenomenal coastal chic perfection with instant access directly to your bayfront balcony. Experience absolute Billionaire entertainment inside this plush velvet immersive cinema room featuring deep, rich, darkened tropical opulence. This secondary master bedroom offers phenomenal coastal chic perfection with instant access directly to your bayfront balcony. Experience absolute Billionaire entertainment inside this plush velvet immersive cinema room featuring deep, rich, darkened tropical opulence. Treat your elite visitors perfectly with this massive VIP guest bedroom suite, glowing in pure morning sunlight. Ignite pure romantic luxury within this intimate space, completely bathed in a warm sunset glow tonight. Experience true acoustics inside this majestic performance lounge, framed beautifully against a spectacular rolling ocean backdrop. Sink into pure elite comfort with these custom ivory linen lounges designed for the absolute ultimate relaxation. This ultra-modern guest bathroom features magnificent emerald stone accents alongside a stunning custom floating vanity. Treat your elite visitors perfectly with this massive VIP guest bedroom suite, glowing in pure morning sunlight. This secondary master bedroom offers phenomenal coastal chic perfection with instant access directly to your bayfront balcony. Crush your daily workouts right inside this spectacular home gym, offering fully panoramic glass water views. Dive into elite knowledge inside this gorgeous home library featuring sleek, minimalist shelves and extensive glass walls. Get ready in style inside this glamorous makeup room featuring flawless studio lighting and pristine glass tables. This vibrant family bedroom suite is completely sunlit, incredibly modern, and perfect for the ultimate luxury lifestyle. Check out this spectacular upstairs family lounge, offering the most insane panoramic views of the entire bay. Showcase your extraordinary high-performance heavy bikes inside this hyper-polished, modern, luxury automotive gallery room. Even the climate control is elite with this high-tech, visible, polished ducting system running throughout. This ultra-modern butler pantry offers seamless integration and immaculate custom cabinetry for elite Billionaire hosting. Check out this spectacular upstairs family lounge, offering the most insane panoramic views of the entire bay. Treat your guests like absolute royalty with this open-concept luxury ensuite featuring incredible emerald stone accents. This enclosed indoor pool lounge flawlessly merges the interior relaxation with the pristine coastal bay waters. Even the powder room is insanely luxurious, showcasing a floating marble basin and stunning emerald accent walls. Achieve absolute zen-like breezy perfection inside your very own personal Billionaire tier massage and spa room. This indoor spa shower experience is completely unmatched, offering a massive rainfall shower directly overlooking the bay. Organize your designer wardrobe flawlessly inside this immense boutique-style his and hers master walk-in closet.
Throw the most legendary celebrations ever inside this executive yacht-inspired entertainment space built for pure hosting. This bonus breezy guest bedroom suite offers an exceptionally relaxed vibe right along the glittering coastal shoreline.
Check out this indoor botanical orchard featuring fresh Florida citrus growing beautifully right inside your massive luxury villa. Walk through this magnificent entry transition hallway where the polished stone floors perfectly reflect the spectacular bayfront horizon outside. This secondary service kitchen extension features flawless stainless steel and zero clutter, perfect for your elite private chefs.
Find your ultimate inner peace inside this serene meditation room, framed by a deep, tropical emerald botanical backdrop. Stay completely secure with this high-tech residential control room, packed with advanced screens and elite Billionaire tracking systems. Even the back-of-house circulation is immaculate, presenting pristine white service corridors engineered for completely seamless operation. This climate-controlled small glass wine vault showcases floating bottles perfectly, making it an absolute masterpiece for collectors. Relax completely within this intimate private sitting lounge featuring sleek designer decor and gorgeous sun-drenched waterfront backdrops today. Ride in pure style inside this glass cab elevator, revealing breathtaking coastal views as you glide between floors. This pantry storage room is flawlessly organized, utilizing custom sleek shelving and beautiful integrated lighting grids.
Indulge your refined palate within this exquisite wine-tasting lounge, radiating sophisticated coastal modern Billionaire style.
Discover pure inner peace right here inside this small indoor botanical zen garden featuring peaceful water features.
Transition from sea to shore seamlessly inside this custom yacht wood mudroom entry designed for coastal elites.
This massive indoor dining extension lounge offers unmatched space and seamless integration for hosting elite mega celebrations.
Unwind inside this extraordinary cabana-style indoor relaxation pavilion engineered specifically for private, peaceful Billionaire downtime.
Observe the immaculate artisan details across these exclusive custom coastal modern chic designer pieces sitting flawlessly today.
Unwind inside this extraordinary cabana-style indoor relaxation pavilion engineered specifically for private, peaceful Billionaire downtime. Your team will live comfortably within these luminous, high-end staff quarters built with identical, pristine materials. This brilliant children's study room features focused modern spaces completely flooded with panoramic tropical Florida sunlight every day. This brilliant children's study room features focused modern spaces completely flooded with panoramic tropical Florida sunlight every day. As night falls, watch the estate ignite beautifully under flawless, warm lighting against a deep, dark sky. This final interior cinematic pullback fully reveals the unbelievable sheer scale of your open-concept waterfront living.